Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and welcome to Our Irish Family. Today I want to do a clean with me video and it's going to be cleaning our bedroom. And we have let it get away from us. There is clothes and shoes and bags and Christmas gifts that I haven't put away. So I hope you enjoy today's clean with me video.
Like snow when it falls in the wind, you know. And you say you wanna dance. You're wary, you know, you'll end up in the wrong hands. And you're having fun. Why don't you show your friends? You're having fun. What if it never ends? I'm lacking sincerity, but you don't care at all. Miss booze, lit cigarettes, trying to take me home.
So you can see what I'm doing here is just folding the clothes and getting rid of everything that's on Robert's side of the bed. And there's just kind of like old beer that he's never ever drank and a couple of things that are Ava's, so I'm just putting them in the bag so I can put them in the places that they're supposed to be, and all those shoes are going to go in our wardrobe. And the same thing here, on top of these two boxes I have a whole load of clothes that have come out of the washing machine that I just haven't put away. So I'm going to be folding these and putting them in the wardrobe. I'm not going to be caring about whether I want to declutter them or anything today. That's going to be a separate video.
Running out that door, and you are nothing, but you say you wanna dance, and you're worried, you know, you'll end up in the wrong hands.
So as you can see, my wardrobes are a little bit in disarray. I'm going to be doing a video very soon where I go through the wardrobe and I declutter and I organize it a little bit better. So stay tuned for that.
But you don't care at all. Miss booze, lit cigarettes, trying to take me home. Falling in love just a million times, breaking it off with the feeling on ice. She's as cold as December.
So to clean our side lockers and the headboard, I am using my favorite, which is the Astonish antibacterial spray with my microfiber cloth from Killin, I think it's called. And then to do the windows, which you'll see now, I am going to be using the window and glass cleaner by Astonish. I really love these. They're animal cruelty free and they are also vegan as well.
There must be more to life than this, reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly, just grab my hand from heaven's end, with me tonight. I run away.
there you have it, guys. That was today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I love when my room is clean, and I just don't know why I don't take the time to do it every single day, to put clothes away and pick up after ourselves. And also you can see I have the 2 boxes and also a bin there. I'm going to be doing a separate video on them where I'm going to declutter those and get them out of our room, because they're just there as like as storage right now, because we've nowhere else to put them. But realistically, the majority of that stuff in there can be shredded and decluttered, so stay tuned for that. So that is today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you are new, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye.